Welcome back to Clarkstar Culinary. Today we're making a Quinoa Caprese salad. We'll need to cook some quinoa first. 2 cups of water, one teaspoon of salt or less if you prefer, bring the water up to a rapid boil, then add 1 cup of quinoa. Reduce the heat to a slow simmer and cook until the water has been absorbed, which should take about 15 minutes. Once the quinoa is done, remove from heat, place the quinoa into a large mixing bowl. Add a 1/4 cup of honey balsamic vinaigrette. The link to that video will be in the description box down below. Mix well, then spread the quinoa out in the bowl so that it can cool and soak up all the vinaigrette. You can place it in the refrigerator to help it cool faster. While the quinoa cools, we're going to prepare the other ingredients. We will need 2 cups of cherry tomatoes. Rinse and slice them in half. We will need 8 ounces of mozzarella pearls. Be sure to rinse the brine off. Once the quinoa has cooled to at least room temperature, add the tomatoes and the mozzarella pearls. Now, roll up 10 to 12 leaves of basil and cut thinly with kitchen shears into the salad. Finally, toss the ingredients together. This is a really good side dish if you're serving seafood, and it is best eaten on the same day that you prepare it. After all the ingredients have been incorporated into this delicious salad, pour it into your serving dish, put some garnish, and it's ready. Thanks for watching Clarkstar Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and be sure to hit the bell icon so that you can be notified the next time a video has been posted. Bye-bye.